1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Lahat ng 1 on my left side, 2 on my right. 1 on my left, 2 on my right. Yeah, very good. 1 on my left, 2 on my right. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this ganyan mangyayari kasi nagbibihis si Kylie. So we need to start with the adult games bago tayo mag-kids. Now, this is gonna be a team game. Your team against them. Ang matalo ha. Non-winning team must create a cheer and dance on stage for Kylie. So, okay magpapatalo. Kaya niya. Now, first up, you have to think of your team name. Go talk to each other and then create your team name. Go. Create your... Usap na kayo, sir. Talk to each other and then create your team name. Walang kasip-sip-sip-sip pa. Meron na. Teka, wait lang. Isip ko lang to. What's the name of the team?
Team Mapagmahal.
Ano ulit?
Team Mapagmahal!
Very good! Team Mapagmahal. How about you guys? What's the name of your team?
Team Malibe. Team Malibe. Malibe.
Malibe. Okay. Parang kinakabahan ako, pre. Alam naman tayo. This is gonna be recorded, right? Now, this is Team Mapagmahal and this... Kinabahan ako bigla, pre. Is Team Malibe. To those of you who understand, you guys know. Alright. Now, next, you have to appoint who's going to be your president. President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, and PRO. Let's do it again. President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, and PRO. Go. President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, and PRO. Meron na. President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, and PRO. Team Mapagmahal, are you guys good? Alright. Again, I asked you earlier, so which means you guys are all physically fit. Wala kayong sakit at hindi kayo bagong opera. That is gonna be good. Team Malibe, okay na? Alright, now, we invented this game, and we call this game, The Flood is Coming. Save the kunwari, pinili ko si President, lahat kayo, bubuhatin ninyo si President. Second rule, bawal ibaba hanggang hindi ko sinasabi. If you will now, without me telling it, you're out, kayo, yung mag-cheer and dance on stage for Kylie. Is that clear? Okay, sample. The flood is coming. Save the Vice President! Vice President, ladies and gentlemen, music DJ. Vice President. Vice President, ayan. O, di ba madali lang ilaro ko? Harap niyo rito para makala kayo picture, ha? Parang pinapahirapan niyo yung sarili niyo. Harap niyo, kukuha kayo picture. Kuya photographer, okay lang bagalan mo, ha? Kasi gusto ko maganda yung kuha ng picture. That's fine. Nakadepende tayo kay Kuya photographer, ha? So let's wait for his go signal bago natin ibaba. Alright. Are you guys good? Teka lang, meron pa isa. Alright, very good. No, mommy, the flood is... Ay, babaan nyo na, sorry na. Oh, mommy, ganun ha, hindi nyo pwede babaan. No, mommy, the flood is coming. Save the...
Save the secretary.
Secretary! Go! Secretary daw, secretary ha. Secretary, very good. Parang yung gusto mo. Ba't nakahiga yan? Secretary ha. 5, 4. Just go. Kinakabahan tuloy ako pag si Kuya na. Alright, ang dali na po ha. Pinipicturean ha. Pumunta ko sa'yo ha. Alright. Alright, baba niyo na. Sir, the plan is coming. Save the...
President!
Thank you so much, President! Ay, nasa. Alright. ha, President, ha? O, di ba? Masarap yung pinubuhat ka eh, no? Dito tayo. Alright. Baba nyo na, baba nyo na. Oh, ma'am, the flood is coming. Save the
PRO.
PRO! PRO! Ladies and gentlemen, PRO, let's see. PRO, ha? 5, 4, 3, kaya mo yan, sir? 2, and alright! Very good! Hindi lang ba? Pinipicturean mo na natin, ha? Ayos, di ba? Madali lang yung masabi sa inyo eh. So easy, right? Hirapan natin konti, ha? Konti lang, ha? Babaan nyo na, babaan nyo na. Sir, the flood is coming. Save the
President and Secretary.
President and Secretary! President and Secretary! President and Secretary, ha? 5, 4, 3, 2, pwede nyo, ay hindi, teka lang, natatamaan pa na yun, gano'n. Sige, bagsak mo lang yan, maganda. Alright, go, 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 go! President and Secretary, I'm gonna give you a few more seconds. 5, 4, pwede sa likod, baktot na lang kayo. 3, 2, and 1! Alright, ba, very good, umabot. Pwede nyo na ibaba, baba nyo na, para hindi kayo mahirapan. Sir, the flood is coming. Save the
Vice President and Treasurer.
Vice President and Treasurer. Vice President and Treasurer, ladies and gentlemen. Vice President and Treasurer. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sorry na. Hindi kaya, alam mo ba sila nahihirapan? Kasi yung E kanina pa bumabagsak. Inaalala tuloy nila lagi. Eh, teka. Sige natin ito, ha? Yun eh. Ayan. Alright. Dali, feel na feel ni Kuya. O, di mo, oo. Kaya, baba nyo na muna. Alright, habang gano'n ka na siya. Alright, now. Alright, na. Mamaya na natin tapusin. Oh, Mami, the flood is coming. Save the
PRO and Vice President.
PRO and Vice President. PRO and Vice President. Ayan! Ba, nakakakuha na ng style, ha? Ready? Ha? Ay! 5, 4, parang pwede ginawa nila, 3, guys, sino na? 2, and 1! Pabigyan natin kasi pinagbigyan nila kayo na nila. Quits na, ha? Quits na kayo, ha? Babaan nyo na. No, Daddy! Halika na. Halika rito. Sir, meron tayong President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, and PRO. Ulit. President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, and PRO. Daddy, the flood is coming. Save the
President, Vice President, and Treasurer.
President, Vice President, and Treasurer! Ay, ito, magbibilang na ako dito, ha? Yun pangalan mo. Ay! 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this game is Dalawang pa! Is this a para Akit kayo dito sa stage. Doon kayo. Go to the stage. Go to the stage. Akit kayo sa stage. Ito. Daddy, mommy, and Kylie, together with Hannah. One each. Asa na? Di ba yun na? Ayun, alright. Picture mo na. Picture mo na. Mami, sama kayo. Picture kayo. Come on. Picture kayo with the family. Testing tayo. Smile! Alright, kayong lima, mag-isip na kayo ng cheer nyo. Thank you so much, Team Mapagmahal. Isip na kayo ng cheer, ha? You guys think of your cheer? Baliktad niya. Dito kayo, dito. Daddy, mukhang maganda raw inabot sa akin ng kabilang team. Alright, okay na kayo? Okay na kayo? Alright, now, if you have your phones, iPhones, iPads, anything that you have to do videos, have it ready, okay? You guys good? Okay na? Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give a warm round of applause, Team Malibe!
Kylie. Kylie.
Okay na. Ramdam na ramdam namin yung effort. Thank you so much. Now,